What's up guys, it's your girl Moxiee D here, and today I'm coming to you with my benzoyl clay apple cider vinegar clay mask. I love this mask so much, and I thought since I already have to take this beat off, I might as well go ahead and film a video for you guys about one of my skincare routine must-haves once a week. So we're gonna just jump right into this. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all my makeup and come back to you guys with a clean face. Alright guys, so I'm back now with a clean face. By the way, if anybody wants to know, the facial cleanser that I use right now is the Soy Face Cleanser. You can get it at Sephora. This big bottle costs almost about $45, but to be honest, it's lasted me almost a full year, so it was worth every penny because all you need is a little bit. So now I've washed my face, it's clean. I kind of pat dried it a little bit just because I still kind of want it to be a little wet, and now I'm about to go ahead and make my mask. Normally I kind of already pre-make it, but I think because I was shooting the video I just did not think about pre-making it because I wanted to make it with you guys. I don't know, but anyways, so one of the main ingredients that you're going to need besides H2O is going to be this benzoyl clay. So I know everybody uses some Arizona brand, so I couldn't find that brand. They don't sell it at Sprouts anymore, so this is the only one, and they said it's just the same. So it's the Ancient Healing Clay Deep Facial Cleanser. It's 100% natural calcium benzoyl clay, and this is what you need to do this mask. You cannot do this mask without this. This is like one of the key ingredients, guys. Okay, so yeah, so now you're just gonna use a tablespoon of this, and that's it. If you want more of a thicker consistency, it's really based on you, because depending on how this 1 tablespoon looks, I might add a little bit more, but then I'm gonna have to add a little bit more of apple cider vinegar so it balances out. You don't want one to overpower the other, because then the mask won't really work. I've tried it before where I use more apple cider vinegar than the benzoyl clay, and it didn't work out like I thought it was gonna work out. I don't know, I just was not following directions. I don't know, y'all, so learn from me. Don't have an episode like I did where you use too much of the wrong thing. And guys, you don't want to use anything metal to mix either, so we're just going to use a glass bowl because, yeah, I'm fancy like that. I'm going to measure out 1 tablespoon of the benzoyl. And you're going to mix, I caught it. When you're gonna mix this clay together with apple cider vinegar and the water, you don't want to use anything metal. So I actually have this plastic rubbery spatula that I'm gonna use to kind of place the clay mask all over my face. So you can use something like this, or a plastic spoon works too, but nothing metal. Nothing metal, guys. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna come with our apple cider vinegar, and we're gonna take another tablespoon. And we're just gonna drop that in there. And guys, we're having a little science experiment. This is already bubbling. Now I'm just gonna come with some cool water, a tablespoon of that, drop it in there, and now we're just gonna mix it all up, guys. Mix it all up. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and evenly disperse the mask all over my face. Let's see if I can do this and talk to y'all at the same time. Hopefully I can do it both. Oh, I did it. And so yeah, guys, you just want to add a little bit more. Y'all, I'm really trying to do this over my sink so I don't make a mess in my bathroom. My cleaning lady just came. I need my money to stretch. So I'm sorry, I look hella ugly. But yeah. Alright guys, so there you have it. Now I'm just gonna let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it just dries and gets a little hard, you're gonna feel it tighten and tighten your pores, and that's it. So I'll get back to show you, but I just evenly spread it all across my face, and now it's in the dry. And sometimes if you just want to kind of like make this process go a little faster, bust out your handy dandy fan and just, you know, flying it along. Yes, yes, darling, yes. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so now as you can see I can barely move my mouth, but it's nice and tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off with warm water and then I'll holler back at you guys. But it's been about 10 minutes. I mean, I probably could stand for it to be a little bit longer, but we have family over, so I don't want to be rude, so I need to get back. So I'm going to rinse this mug off. Well, normally I'd probably keep it on for a little bit longer, just because I want it to be tight, more like, you know, so tight that it's, yeah. So. So now you're just gonna come and pat. My dogs are trying to peek through, but yeah, so just gonna pat your eye a little bit. And by the way, I told you guys wrong at the beginning, you want to use cold water, really cool water, because cool water naturally closes your pores. And we just did a mask to tighten them, so we don't need them to open back up with hot water. So now I'm gonna finish my nighttime skincare routine. I'll catch you guys later in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this mask. As you can see, my skin is super duper glowy. My pores are small. Ooh. Guess I didn't get that off. And yeah, so if you love this video and you want to see more skin routine video, definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, join the family if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.